Is your car misfiring, running rough, or burning more fuel than usual? As you might be dealing with a bad spark plug, and it's more common than you think. In this video, I'll show you the signs, causes, and how to fix it before it costs you big money. Spark plugs are tiny but mighty. They ignite the air-fuel mixture inside your engine cylinders, giving your car the power to move. But when one fails, it throws everything off balance. Here are the top 5 symptoms of a bad or failing spark plug. Number 1, rough idling, your engine vibrates or sounds uneven at idle. Number 2, engine misfires, the engine stumbles or jerks while accelerating. Number 3, poor fuel economy, you're suddenly visiting the pump more often. Number 4, trouble starting, long cranks or failed starts. Number 5, check engine light, especially codes like P0300 to P0308. See this. That's a misfire code caused by a worn-out plug. Step-by-step demo on a car engine. Step 1. Identify the bad plug, OBD2 visual inspection. Step 2. Remove the old spark plug, use the correct socket. Step 3. Check the gap on the new plug, gap gauge. Step 4. Install and talk to spec. Step 5. Clear codes and test drive. As a pro tip, always replace all plugs if they're the same age. This keeps your engine running smoothly and evenly. Most spark plugs last 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Copper wears out faster than iridium or platinum. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense car care tips. Got a question or another symptom? Drop it in the comments, I read them all. Drive safe, stay tuned, and keep those cylinders firing right.